Now at 4 o'clock, a frantic rescue in Burlington County. Fire crews worked quickly and carefully this afternoon to pull a construction worker to safety after he fell 9 feet into that trench. It is Wednesday afternoon. I'm Brian Tapp.
And I'm Sarah Bloomquist. The big story on Action News is today's successful rescue there in Mount Laurel. First responders were called here to the 100 block of Waverly Avenue just before 11:30 this morning.
Action News reporter Trish Hartman live outside the Mount Laurel Fire Department with an update this afternoon. Trish.
Well, Brian, Sarah, rescuers on scene told me that worker was conscious when he was flown to the hospital this afternoon after falling into that hole. Officials say the man was knocked into the hole by debris that they were removing from the ground. Now, OSHA is investigating the circumstances. Chopper 6 was over the 100 block of Waverly Avenue in Mount Laurel after a contractor fell into a 9-foot hole being dug for a septic system in a residential backyard.
The gentleman had been hit in the head by either dirt or a rock or something that they were digging out, and the gentleman fell into the hole. Emergency
crews were called just after 11 a.m. and quickly realized this was a rescue situation. They worked to secure the hole before going in to assess the patient.
So we dropped 2 panels in on either side of the patient, on both sides of the patient, to make sure that there's no spoils or any collapse that could fall onto the patient.
2 rescuers in harnesses went down, loaded the patient onto a board and then into a military-style basket, pulling him out around noon. Multiple fire departments from Burlington and Camden counties assisted. Police say the 55-year-old man from Williamstown was flown to Cooper University Hospital. He works for Lindsay Construction out of Atco, New Jersey. A representative of the Occupational Safety and Health Administration was on scene this afternoon. Firefighters say incidents like this are why they continually train on various rescue situations, including trench rescues and collapse.
From a patient outcome standpoint and an incident outcome standpoint, it's exactly what we train for and what we prepare for our whole career.
Now, we have not gotten an update on the patient's current condition. We reached out to Lindsay Construction this afternoon, and they declined to comment. Reporting live in Mount Laurel, New Jersey, Trish Hartman, Channel 6 Action News. Brian.
Okay, Trish, thank you.